I can't wait to skate, Niskami. I'm going to be a hockey player someday.
That's great, Antle. Skating is a lot of fun, and so is hockey. But first,
What are you doing, Niskami? Are we going to play hockey?
patience, Antle. I'm testing the ice to make sure it's solid before we start skating. Better safe than sorry.
Is it safe?
Seems solid to me. Let's get our skates on and play some hockey.
Yay! When did you learn to play hockey, Niskami?
Long time ago, Antle. I was 7.
Wow, that is a long time ago.
It is. Did you know that hockey started with our ancestors? The Mi'kmaw have been playing it since long before the settlers came to Mi'kmaw.
Whoa, they did?
They sure did. They played with a round whirl for a ball. And the sticks were made from hornbeam tree and curved alder trees that grew along the riverbanks.
Awesome!
Our elders passed down the stories and language of the game from generation to generation. My Niskami taught me, and now I'm going to teach you. There, how do they feel?
They're a little tight.
Oh, you'll get used to it. The skates have to be a little tight to hold your foot in place. Better safe than sorry.
Okay, Niskami. Can we play hockey now?
Yes, Antle, let's go.
Whoa, you're good, Granddad. I hope I can skate like that, Niskami.
Well, let's see. We'll start slowly until you get your footing. Better safe than sorry.
You say that a lot, Niskami.
You can never be too safe on the ice, Antle. Let's see what you've got.
Whoa! Whoa! I see what you mean.
Let's take it slow, Antle. You'll get it.
That was so much fun, Niskami. Thanks for teaching me to play hockey. Can we do that again?
You're welcome, Antle. And yes, of course we can skate again. You're pretty good at it. In fact, hand me your stick.
Okay. What are you doing, Granddad?
I'm carving designs into your stick to remind us of this day, like the petroglyphs at Kitchimikuja.
Like the ones we saw when we went camping?
That's right, Antle. And we'll add new ones each time we play hockey together.
Cool!
Aren't you going to ask me if you can carve the stick?
No thanks, Granddad. Better safe than sorry.